Hey there, I'm Mr. Tom from the Center for Young Musicians, and here is part 2 of my video series of how to change a string on your guitar and then tune that string. If you haven't seen part 1, be sure to click the link in the description of this video to check it out. In part 1, we learned how to replace the first string on our guitar, which is the high E string. After you put a new string on your guitar, you're sure to find that that string is just not going to want to stay in tune for a little while. So we're going to have to learn how to use our tuner to be able to keep that string at the pitch that we want it to be. So we're going to learn how to use our tuner today. There are all sorts of different tuners that you can use to tune your guitar. Some of them clip onto the top of your guitar, some of them plug into your guitar. I like to use the app Guitar Tuna, which you can see over here. And you can download that app for free from the App Store on your phone, and I think it works great. When you open up Guitar Tuna, the first thing that you'll see is a picture of a guitar headstock with the letter names of the strings as they match up with the strings that attach to those tuning pegs on your guitar. You'll notice that my Guitar Tuna app will also pick up voices and other sounds that are happening in the area. Don't let that fool you when you're tuning. As long as you give a guitar string a nice, long, loud strum, you'll see the letter of the string that you're strumming pop up in the middle of the screen there. Now, we are mostly going to be looking at our first string, which is the E string represented by the bottom right tuning peg on my screen. Sometimes when you strum a string, you'll get a message on your tuner that will tell you, my string is too low. And on Guitar Tuna, you have this helpful little pin graphic that moves up and down across the string to show you whether you're too low or too high around the pitch that you're going for, and just how far you have to go. So, to change the way that your string is tuned, you are going to turn the tuning peg that attaches to that string, in this case, our new small E string, and you're going to find the direction of turning the peg, which makes your string go lower and which makes your string go higher, which will be the opposite direction. And using the information that you see on your screen, you are going to turn your tuning peg until you see a check mark come up on the screen. You can also do that with each one of the rest of your strings too. Luckily, I'm nice and in tune today. That's how you use Guitar Tuna. When you're dealing with a brand new string on your guitar, like I am with my E string today, you might find that even for a couple of days after restringing, that string just keeps going out of tune on you. Not to worry. You just keep going back to your Guitar Tuna app and checking on the string, making sure that you get that check mark on your screen, and the longer that you do that, the more that your string will start to settle onto your guitar and hold its pitch a little bit better. Thank you guys so much for watching the video today. If you're interested in taking guitar lessons with me, Mr. Tom, you can go to youngmusicians.org or click the link below to reach me. And if you really enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. So now we know how to change a string on an acoustic guitar and how to use our tuner.